In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use BambooHR for human resources. We'll walk through the core features you'll use every day, with clear guidance and a few helpful tips so you can manage your people operations confidently from one place. Start by heading to your company's BambooHR URL and signing in with your HR or admin account. Once you're in, take a moment to scan the dashboard. This is your control center, where you'll see your employee list, time off requests, company announcements, and tasks waiting for approval. Getting familiar with this view makes it easier to spot what needs your attention right away. To add a new employee, open the People area and choose Add Employee. Enter their name, email, job title, department, and start date. Then send the invite so they can set up their profile. A quick tip: upload their contract and any key documents to the Files tab so everything is stored and searchable from day one. BambooHR serves as your digital employee record. Click an employee's name to view their profile and move through tabs like Personal, Job, Documents, Training, and Benefits. Keep personal details, emergency contacts, compensation history, job changes, notes, and files in one place. Consistent, complete records make reporting and audits much simpler. For leave management, open time off to set up policies such as vacation, sick leave, PTO, and parental leave. Employees will submit requests and you can approve or deny them, adjust balances when needed, and view each person's leave history. Clear policy names and rules help reduce confusion. If you're hiring, go to Hiring to create a new job opening. Add the title, a clear description, and the requirements, then publish to your career page, job boards, or social channels. As candidates come in, track applicants, interviews, screening notes, and hiring stages in one pipeline. For onboarding, go to Tasks, build an onboarding checklist, and assign items to IT for access setup, HR for documentation, and the manager for orientation. Send onboarding packets so new hires know exactly what to do. For offboarding, deactivate the employee, create an exit interview checklist, and request equipment return. If time tracking is enabled, use time tracking to have employees clock in and out, approve weekly timesheets, and export data for payroll. In performance, create goals, schedule check-ins, run reviews, and set quarterly or annual evaluations to keep development on track. Remember, BambooHR doesn't run payroll, but it prepares the data. Export hours, review leave balances, confirm recent salary changes, track applicable deductions, and send the final file to your payroll software. Use documents as your company's digital filing cabinet to upload handbooks, policies, contracts, training files, and certificates, and assign items for signatures. Finally, open reports for insights like turnover, headcount, time off usage, and compensation analytics. And customize employee self-service in settings under access levels so people can update personal info, submit time off, download payslips if integrated, and complete onboarding forms with the right permissions.